Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our CS class. How are you? Hope all are fine and doing well, and all are healthy too. Stay safe in your home. Let's start our plus one classes today. Today is a memorable day in your life, right? Today you are starting your 11th standard. So let's start with our computer science subject. Hope all are doing well. And after this COVID issue, we can see in your school. So up to that moment, we can start these online classes. So let's start with our syllabus discussion. My name is Remya, and let's start our syllabus discussion. So in your plus one, our subject name is computer science and code number is 083. This is the code number. First, they are listing some learning outcomes by using this paper or by studying this paper. You know what an algorithm is. You can develop a computer system and what is cyber ethics, cyber crime, etc. So in our syllabus, there are three parts in our syllabus. First is computer systems and organization, computational thinking, and second is computational thinking and programming, then society, law, and ethics. These are the marks distribution in your exam. From the first unit, 10 marks, second unit, 45 marks, and third unit, 15 marks, like that. So there are theory and practical sessions are there according to this table. So let's discuss our unit-wise syllabus. So as I already told, there are three units in your subject. First unit is computer systems and organization. In this first unit, you will study about hardware, software, memory, types of software, system software, applications of software, operating system, and logic gates like NOT and OR and NOR XOR, then number system, binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal system, etc. Then different types of encoding scheme like ASCII, SCII, Unicode. And what are the emerging trends like cloud computing, cloud services, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So these are the units covered in first unit. So first unit is an introduction. In this, you all know some input devices, output devices, some softwares, what is an operating system like. I think you all know these type of questions. So these are the topics covered in the first unit, and in this first unit we are covering encoding scheme like ASCII. We all find in different applications there are different types of encoding schemes used. In WhatsApp also there are some encoding schemes used. Then emerging trends in this artificial intelligence. You all heard the term artificial intelligence, nowadays very popular, this artificial intelligence, because computers behaves like human and computers are assisting humans in many fields like in satellite research or in operations, in hospitals. In all systems, computers are assisting us by using this property of artificial intelligence. Then cloud computing, you heard the term cloud computing. That means data are stored in the form of clouds. So anyone can access data from anywhere. So these are the first module introduction. So first unit consists of these parts. Comparatively, it is a simple unit and consists of more theory portions, and but in our university exams, marks compared to other modules, marks are less. It is very simple to study unit 1. These all are about unit 1. And second unit is unit 2, computational thinking and programming. In this unit onwards, you will start how to develop program, how to develop algorithms, flow charts, what is execution, what are the concepts used in this programming language, like data types, what are the operators used, expressions used, what are the errors commonly happens inside our programs, and what conditional statements, iterative statements, strings, list, tuples, dictionary, sorting techniques, huge concepts, many concepts are studying here in this second module. And this from second module we will start our Python programming language. You all heard Python programming language, which is very simple compared to another languages like Java, C and C++. Nowadays Python is very popular, so we will introduce Python programming language also in this second unit. And in our third unit, we are following many rules in our society. Like that, in cyber society also there are some rules associated with. There are many crimes are also happening nowadays. We all finding in newspaper that our money is lost, ATM pin is lost, like that. So there are many crimes are happening. So for this, society have to obey some rules while we are entering into internet. We have to obey some rules, and here we are here India government as well as all over world some rules are there. Some what are cyber crimes, its definition, how can we provide our data safe, then how can we access websites, how can we manage our e-waste, what is e-waste, waste belongs to our computers, how to, like our electronic computer or laptop consists of many electronic circuits, these all are termed as e-waste. So how can we dispose these? Then what is IT Act in India? What are the IT Act and what are the rules? Like that, that is third unit. So there are 3 units are there in our computer science subject. As mentioned earlier, first unit is computer systems and organization. In this unit, we will give a basic introduction about computers and our softwares. And second unit is computational thinking and programming. In this unit, there are some programming concepts as well as some algorithms, flowcharts, some, and Python programming is also there. And third unit is society, law and ethics, in which what is the responsibility of society while they are entering into internet, and what are the laws to secure our data, what is ethics in our internet. That are the third unit. And next section is practical. In practical part, main topic is Python programming. In this, you have to develop Python programs. You have to documents in your records, and there will be Viva also. So these are the practical. Let's discuss with theory session. Some practical problems also here. We can do it in our lab. Then NCRT is suggesting a textbook for this subject, that is NCRT textbook for computer science class 11. You can download from CBSE website. So these are all about introduction, and let's start our class. Okay, I think all of you are clear about our syllabus, and let's start. Okay, so once again, welcome to my class or our class. This is the front page of our textbook for class 11. In this textbook, we already explained 3 units in our syllabus, but in this textbook, there are 11 units in our textbook. So first 3 modules are from first unit, then chapter 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for unit 2, and chapter 11 for unit 3. Like that, our syllabus consists of only 3 modules or 3 units, But in our textbook, these 3 units are represented by using these 11 units. So you have to study this textbook. You can download it from our CBSE website. As told earlier, our first unit is computer system. You all know what a computer is. As the name suggests, computer is a computing device. Computing device means we can perform many computations or operations by using this computer system. As you all know, computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device in which user can supply information or input. What is an input? An input is the data which is supplied by the users. You all are users. I am also a user. So we can supply input to the computer by using this input device. So a computer is an electronic device that can be programmed to accept data. Accept data means input, and computer will process that data. Processing means some computers are doing some computations in that data, and we will get an output which is known as result. So what is the purpose of a computer? A computer accepts data from user, then process the data, and it will give an output as a result. So this is a computer definition. A computer is an electronic device that can be programmed to accept data, process it, and generate result. A computer with its hardware and another resources is known as computer system. So a computer contains hardware. What are hardware devices? You all know our keyboard is a hardware device. Hardware means that device we can touch with our fingers. We can touch and feel. Software means we cannot touch, but using this software, the entire programming is done in computer. So a computer consists of both hardware and software. Examples for hardware are keyboard, mouse, printer. Like that we can see. Example for software, what are they? Now I am communicating with you with the help of a software. That is application software. By using YouTube or by using an application, I am making this video. So these are the software. We cannot touch the software, but by using this software only we can make programs. Okay, so these are the main point about computer system. A computer system consists of both input and output devices. A computer system will process data and it will give output as a result. And computer contains both hardware and software. Then what are the components of a computer system? You all know. While in your house there are desktop computers are there. In that desktop computer you will find CPU. There is a box. We will call it as a CPU, but actually CPU is a chip which is inside our box, CPU box. So there are CPU or central processing unit, memory. You all heard the term memory. Like our memory, computer can store data in memory. Then input output devices and storage devices like hard disk. So computers contains CPU, memory, input output devices and storage devices. These devices works together and we will get the desired output. So these are just a component explaining components of a computer system in which there is an input device. Input is processed by the central processing unit. As the name implies, processing is done at central processing unit and we will get an output. So these are the introduction for today. Let's stop our class for today. Let's start our class in next day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Be safe in your home. Be happy. Be confident. Thank you.